No more guessing what's happening out on the shop floor. Production Manager provides you with a dashboard showing the current status of each cutting machine at your facility and details for each nest or job that you produce. It tracks job progress, alerts you to stoppages, and provides valuable insights into your overall cutting performance. Production Manager is a web-based application that runs from any PC or mobile device web browser that's connected to your internal company network. First, Production Manager collects data from ProNest as nests are output for cutting. These nests are then displayed in Production Manager, allowing visibility to the rest of the organization and marked with a pending status while they await production with the specified machine. During this time, users throughout the organization can view nest details, including an image of the nest, and if necessary, make changes prior to cutting. Production team managers may need to cancel an order, put it on hold, or send it back to the nesting programmer to add or remove parts based on last-minute changes. Nesting programmers may need to review nests for available space to accommodate a high-priority order, find opportunities for improvement, such as adding filler parts, or combine orders for greater plate utilization. Next, when a machine operator starts cutting a new job, Production Manager begins tracking progress. If you have a Hypertherm Edge Connect CNC, then your job progress and cutting information is automatically transferred from the CNC to the Production Manager dashboard. Or for other CNC brands, the operator can log the machine status manually using the Start, Stop, and Complete buttons found in the web app. As machine activity is logged, Production Manager provides real-time status updates to the rest of the organization. Production team members can see if a machine has stopped cutting or how much time is left on a particular job. The sales team can access the estimated lead times for each machine for improved quoting and estimating. Customer service can check the production status for specific parts, work orders, or customers. And management can view the day's progress, track productivity, and spot problems before they arise.